guys, a long time no talk. I was actually doing some advertisements for Valentine's Day, and I figured, you know what, let me come to my folks on YouTube and show them how to use what they have to make advertisements, to make Instagram pictures, all that kind of stuff. So literally, you can get what you need from like the dollar store, which is sometimes what I do. So look how cute this setup is. Like, it looks super cute. And all I did was use some trim, some Valentine's trim that I already had laying around, which is, by the way, from like 2 years ago. Yes, I hold on to everything. So pretty much what I did, I tore off some of the hearts that are already connected to the actual trim. As you can see, they're connected to the trim. And I just put it on top of the bundles to make it look really cute. And I did the same thing with the bundles that I did for my edge tamer, because I actually have pictures of the edge tamer. But I just want to show you guys that you really can literally just use what you have to make creative pictures or creative looking ads. Like, you don't have to break the bank to make pictures. So yeah, let me show you what I did. I just literally just put this like in a pile, like wrapped it all around in a pile, made it look real cute. And then I set my, the items I wanted to photograph, I just set it on there. And it came out really super cute. Like, let me show you. Like, bam. Like, doesn't it look so cute? It looks really cute, super thought out, and literally it was just a trim that I had laying around. So super cute. So yes, I just wanted to show you guys how I go about kind of taking some of my photographs. Before I go purchase anything, I literally look around the house and see what I have that could work. Because, business 101, when you first, get into a business, and even just if you've had a business for a while, you don't want to spend money on unnecessary things. Some things, there's no way around it, you need to spend money on. But little things like this, honey, no. We got stuff laying around. So cute. So yes, happy Valentine's Day to you all. I just wanted to come to you guys real quick because I was in the middle of doing this. And I'm like, you know what? This would make a good YouTube video, because I know sometimes people struggle to create cute little pictures and think they have to spend all this money, but girl, no. Use what you have around the house. All right, peace.